About this item: compact and portable, measuring only 2.91/74 mm in height. This compact fluid head is lightweight, 10.93 Ah/310 G, and has a 1.46/37 mm diameter base. Including all knobs, the entire tripod fluid head boasts an all-metal design, with a textured feel, and is more durable. 360-degree panoramic rotation and -55° to 90 degrees tilting. The fluid head provides smooth movements and fixed friction damping. Equipped with the aluminum alloy tilt locking knob, pan locking knob, and the handle, you can easily rotate the head 360 degrees or tilt it from -55 degrees to 90 degrees. Perfect for multiple angles photography. Quick release plate with 1/4 screw. The quick release plate, compatible with Arca Swiss, is easy to install and remove. Attach the plate to your camera and quickly mount it on a tripod if needed. Equipped with an larger area of non-slip rubber pad and 2 fall